Look, Pepper's still sounding her alarm. Get him! Get him! Come on! She's going yee 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 yee. Oh, he's gonna get him.
Hold that flap up for your dad.
It's got this nail. Like that. There you go. That ought to be easier.
Now getting it? He's probably been living under that carpet.
Probably.
It's a big one.
Oh, here it comes. Look at him.
Here it comes.
Oh, dude, look at it. Oh, my God. Oh, we're going to get killing on this. Woo! Yee, 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 yee. Woo!
Total mania.
Did you just see that? Right on. Aiden missed this.
There ain't no eggs in him.
Yeah, there is.
Maybe one.
You don't see him? There's 2 eggs in that.
Now she's going in and check it out.
Yeah, she
He's
is.
ripped that